students, welcome back. Today we are moving on to our next chapter, that is chapter 4, interest and time value. In this chapter we are going to discuss about concept of interest, simple interest, compound interest, effective rate, present value and future value, and also about EMI. First we are going to discuss about interest. What is meant by interest? It is the price paid by the borrower of money to its lender. According to Marshall, interest is the price paid for use of capital in any market. The money borrowed or deposited is known as principal amount. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വേർഡാണ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ഒരു എമൗണ്ട് ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയോ അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആരേക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും കടം വാങ്ങുകയോ ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആ എമൗണ്ടിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഒരു എമൗണ്ട് അവർക്ക് പേ ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ സാധാ അവർക്ക് വാങ്ങുന്ന എമൗണ്ട് അല്ല, അതിനേക്കാൾ കുറച്ചുകൂടി കൂടുതലായിട്ട് വേണം നമ്മൾ പേ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട്. അതിനുള്ളതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. And also, what is simple interest? When interest is calculated for every period only on principal, then the total interest gained on all the period is called simple interest. അതായത് ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ 2 മാസത്തിനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 വർഷത്തിനോ 3 വർഷത്തിനോ ഒക്കെ ആയിട്ടായിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ എമൗണ്ട് ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബോറോ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ അവരുടെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ എമൗണ്ടിന് മാത്രമാണ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന് പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് സിമ്പിൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്. ദ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ പ്ലസ് സിമ്പിൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഗെയിൻ ഇസ് കോൾഡ് എമൗണ്ട്. ഇപ്പൊ ടോട്ടൽ എമൗണ്ട് കിട്ടാനായിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ എമൗണ്ടിന്റെ കൂടെ സിമ്പിൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ, P is for principal, R for rate percentage per annum, T for number of years, SI for simple interest, and A for amount. To calculate the simple interest, we use the formula P into R into T by 100. And also P is 100 into simple interest. SI means simple interest divided by R into T. What is R? It is 100 into SI divided by P into T. What is T? It is 100 into SI divided by R into P. This is the formula for finding simple interest, price, rate percentage per annum, and also the time period. Okay. Also we use another formula, that is I equal to PNR, where I stands for interest, P for principal amount, R for rate percentage per annum, and also the amount at the nth year is P plus SI. That is P plus PNR by 100. Here P plus, not A, it is I. P plus I, that is P plus PNR by 100. If we take P as common, 1 plus NI by 100. So the amount at the end of nth year is P into 1 plus NR by 100. Okay. Our first problem is find the simple interest on rupees 800 for 3 years at 5% per annum. Also find the amount after 3 years. അപ്പോൾ 800 രൂപയാണ് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ എമൗണ്ട് 800 രൂപയാണ്. അതിന് സിമ്പിൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് എത്രയാണെന്നാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. പിന്നെ ടോട്ടൽ എമൗണ്ടും എത്രയാണെന്നുള്ളത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. റേറ്റ് 5% per annum ആണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. So SI is, we know that the formula is P into R into T divided by 100, PRT by 100. Here P is 800, T is 3 and R is equal to 500. So SI is 800 into 3 into 5 divided by 100. That is 12,000 by 100. The value is 20. So SI is 20. What is the total amount? It is P plus SI. That is 800 plus 120. That is 920. Okay. Next is find the simple interest on rupees 4,200 for 3 years at 4.5% per annum. So here the formula is SI is equal to PRT by 100. Here P is equal to 4200, T is equal to 3 and R is equal to 4.5. If we substitute the values in this equation, SI is equal to 4200 into 3 into 4.5 by 100, that is 56,700 divided by 100, that is 567. We have to find only the simple interest. So SI is 567. Next problem is find the simple interest on rupees 10,000 for 100 days at 8% per annum. The formula is SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Here T is days, in days, 100 days. We know that what is T? It is the number of years. So we have to convert days into years. So we know that what is 1 year? 1 year is 365 days. So to convert 100 days into years, just divide 100 by 365. So the years is 0.274. The approximate value is 0.274 and R is 8%. If we substitute these values in this equation, SI is equal to 10,000 into 0.274 into 8 divided by 100. The value is 21,920 divided by 100, that is 219.2. The value is 219.2. Please remind one thing, that is if we convert days into year, just divide of days divided by 365 because 1 year is 365 days. Okay. Next problem is find the simple interest on rupees 5,500 for 3 months at 8% per annum. That is simple interest is PRT by 100. And here 5,500 is the P and T is 3 months. We have T means the number of years. So we have to convert 3 months into year. We know that in 1 year there are 12 months. So just divide 3 by 12. 3 by 12 is 0.25 years. That is R is equal to 8%. So if the value of T is in month or in date, convert it into years. After that, calculate the value of simple interest. Okay. So simple interest is 5,500 into 0.25 into 8 by 100. That is 11,000 divided by 100. That is 110. So the simple interest is 110. Our next problem is what principal will yield rupees 60 as simple interest at 6% per annum in 5 years. That is, it is given that the simple interest is 60 rupees and rate is 6% and T is 5%. We have to find what is the principal value. If the simple interest is 60 rupees and the rate is 6% and the number of years is 5 years, then what is the principal value? We have to find the value of principal amount. We know that P is equal to 100 into SI by RT. Substitute these values. SI is equal to 60, R is equal to 6%, T is equal to 5. In this equation, we have 100 into 60 by 6 into 5. That is 6,000 by 30. That is 200. So the principal amount is 200. If we deposit or borrow 200 rupees, this principal amount is 60 rupees. Okay. Next problem is at what interest rate will rupees 2,000 yield rupees 150 in simple interest in 6 months. So it is given that the principal amount is 2,000 and the simple interest is 150 rupees and also the number of years is 6 months. Then what is the rate of interest? That is, we have to find the value of R. That is 100 into SI by P into T. Here SI is 150, P is equal to 2000 and T, here T is in months. So we have to convert months into years, that is 6 by 12, that is 0.5 years. So to calculate the value of R, substituting the value of SI, P and T in this equation, we have 100 into 150 divided by 2000 into 0.5, that is 15,000 divided by 1000, that is 15%. So the rate of interest is 15%. Okay. Next problem is find the simple interest on rupees 7,300 from May 11, 2001 to September 3, 2001 at 5% per annum. We have to calculate the value of simple interest. Here the principal amount is 7,300 and the rate is 5%. We have to find the time period, that is from May 11, 2001 to September 3, 2001. So the formula is SI is equal to PRT by 100. We know that in May there are 20 days. From May 11 onwards there are 20 days, and in June there are 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, and in September there are 3 days, because here the time period from May 11 to September 3. So the total is 115 days. So P is 7,300 and T is 115 days. So we have to convert 115 into 15 days into years. We have 115 divided by 365. So the value is 0.3151 years and R is 5%. Substituting these values, we have 7,300 into 0.3151 into 5 divided by 100. The value is 11,501.15 divided by 100. That is 115.0115. So if we approximate this value, we get 115. So the simple interest is 115. Next problem is find interest, simple interest on 8,500 from June 2001 to August 2002 at 5% per annum. So here SI is P into R into T by 100 and P is 8,500 and T is 15 months from June to August. June 2001 to August 2012 there are 15 months. So if we convert it into years, we have 15 by 12, that is 1.25 years. R is equal to 5%. Substituting these values in this equation, SI equal to PRT by 100, we have 8,500 into 1.25 into 5 divided by 100, that is 53,125 by 100. The value is 531.25. Okay. Next problem is what sum of money will amount to rupees 810 in 2.5 years at 5% simple interest. That is, the total amount is 810 and the time period is 2.5 and the rate of interest is 5%. We have to find the principal value. So which is the money we borrowed or deposited, the amount of money, but the total amount is 810. So we know that the formula is for total amount, that is P into 1 plus NR by 100. So here total amount is 810 and we have to find the value of P. N is equal to 2.5 and R is equal to 5%. For number of years we use N as well as T also. Okay. Then substituting this value, A is equal to P into 1 plus NR by 100. We have 810 is equal to P into 1 plus 2.5 into 5 by 100. That is P into 1 plus 2.5 into 5 is 12.5 by 100. So that is P into 1 plus 0.125. That is P into 1.125. 810 is equal to P into 1.125. So take 1.125 to the left side. Here this is multiplication. So if you take it to left side, it becomes division. So P is equal to 810 divided by 1.125. That is 720. So if we deposit or borrow 720 rupees, after 2.5 years, it becomes 810 rupees at 5% per annum interest. Okay. Our next problem is find the number of years a sum of rupees 15,000 will become rupees 20,000 if the rate of interest is 5%. So here the principal amount is 15,000 and it becomes 20,000. So the total amount is 20,000. Then we have to find the number of years to become 15,000 to 20,000. So use the formula A is equal to P into NR by 100. So here P is equal to 15,000 and total amount is 20,000 and we have to find the value of N and also R is equal to 5%. Substituting these values in this equation, we have 20,000 is equal to 15,000 into 1 plus N into 5 by 100. Taking 15,000 to the left side, here this is multiplication. So if we take 15,000 to the left side, it becomes division. So 20,000 by 15,000 is equal to 1 plus 5n by 100. So 20,000 by 15,000 is 1.333 equal to 1 plus 5n by 100. And take 1 to the left side. Here the 1 is plus, so it becomes minus if we take it into the left side. So 1.333 minus 1 is equal to 5n by 100. That is 0.333 equal to 5n by 100. And here 100 is in division. So if we take it to the left side, it becomes multiplication. So 0.333 into 100 is equal to 5n. That is 33.33 equal to 5n. To find the value of n, divide 33.33 by 5. That is 33.33 by 5 is 6.666 years. So after 6.666 years, rupees 15,000 become 20,000 at the rate of 5%. Okay. Our next problem is, in what time is a sum of money triple itself at 10% per annum simple interest? So here we have to find the time period for the money triple itself. So the total amount is triple. So we use the formula A is equal to P into 1 plus NR by 100. So here P is equal to P itself and the total amount is triple. So 3P. And N is equal to, we have to find the value of N, and R is equal to 10%. So A is equal to P into 1 plus NR by 100. So 3P is equal to P into 1 plus N into 10 by 100. So taking P to the left side, it becomes division. So 3P by P equal to 1 plus 10N by 100. 3P by P is PP get cancelled. So the value is 3. 3 is equal to 1 plus 10N by 100. And taking 1 to the left side, it becomes 3 minus 1 is equal to 10N by 100. 3 minus 1 is 2 itself. So 2 equal to 10N by 100. And taking 100 to the left side, it becomes 2 into 100 is equal to 10N. That is 200 is equal to 10N. And N is equal to 200 by 10. That is 20. So if we deposit or borrow an amount P, the money becomes triple itself after 20 years. Okay. Next problem is, Anita takes a loan of rupees 5,000 at 15% per annum as rate of interest. Find the interest she has to pay at the end of 1 year. So here we have to find the value of the simple interest, and P is 5,000 and R is 15% and T is 1 year. So SI is equal to PRT by 100. That is P is equal to 5,000, T is equal to 1 and R is equal to 15%. So SI is equal to 5000 into 1 into 15 by 100, that is 75,000 by 100, that is 750. So the simple interest amount is 750. Okay. Next problem is, what amount was borrowed for which the amount of interest is 200 at the rate of 5% for 4 years. So T is 4 year and R is equal to 5% and the simple interest is 200 rupees. We have to find what is the principal value that was borrowed. So P is equal to 100 into SI by RT. Here SI is 200 and R is equal to 5% and T is equal to 4. Substituting these values in 100 into SI by RT, we have 100 into 200 by 5 into 4, that is 20,000 by 20. The value is 1000. So the principal amount is 1000. So for 1000 rupees, we have to pay the simple interest rupees 200 for 4 years. Okay. And we move to the next problem. At what rate would a sum of money double in 20 years? So we have to find the value of R. Here N is given and the total amount becomes double. So what is the formula for finding total amount? It is A is equal to P into 1 plus NR by 100. It is given that P is P itself and total amount is double the principal amount. So 2 into P. And N is 20 years, we have to find the value of R. So substituting these values in equation A equal to P into 1 plus NR by 100, we have 2P equal to P into 1 plus 20 into R by 100. That is, taking P to the left side, it becomes 2P by P equal to 1 plus 20 R by 100. That is 2 equal to 1 plus 20 R by 100. Taking 1 to the left side, it becomes 2 minus 1 equal to 20 R by 100. That is 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 equal to 20 R by 100. Taking 100 to the left side, it becomes multiplication. So 1 into 100 equal to 20 R and 100 is equal to 20 R. 1 into 100 means it is 100. 100 equal to 20 R. So the value of R is 100 by 20, that is 5%. So if R is equal to 5%, the principal amount become total double itself after 20 years. Okay, so I think you got the idea of how to calculate simple interest and total amount and principal amount and rate of interest and also number of years. So thanks for watching. Thank you.